The PTE Listening module has the most tasks, so which ones are the most important for you to get a high score? My name is Sonny and this is Sonny English. This channel, I provide real tips and tricks on how to succeed in the PTE. If you're new here, please subscribe. This video, we're going to be looking at how the PTE Listening module is scored. So if you're ready, let's go. Now, as I mentioned earlier, in case you didn't already know, the listening module has 8 tasks. That is the most out of all the modules. Do all the tasks contribute to the score evenly? Let's find out. First of all, 4 of the tasks are comprehension questions. They require you to listen, understand, read, and pick out the answer that best fits. That is time consuming. And in the listening module, time is not our friend. Do we really need to spend time on these tasks to make sure our answers are correct? Well, I took the official mock exam and only answered tasks 2, 4, 5, and 6, which again are all the comprehension questions. Since some of the speaking affect the listening score, I made sure to skip all of the speaking. How many points did I get? 10. That is all. That tells us that half of the listening module, which consists of all the comprehension questions, holds about 10 points or less. Well, I guess that answers the question. Do we need to spend time here to make sure the answers are correct? Hell no. Next, I wanted to check how many points we can get from the listening fill in the blanks, since I know it affects listening and writing. I took the same exam and only answered the fill in the blanks. I got a total of 11 points. There are actually 11 blanks in the exam, so that means 1 point per blank. If you recall in the reading scoring breakdown, the same exam in the reading gave me 30 points in the writing. That, of course, was the reading and writing fill in the blanks. With the addition of listening fill in the blanks, I got another 9 points in the writing. That means listening fill in the blanks is about 10 points of your writing as well. It's all coming together. Let's revisit the write from dictation. If you recall when I did only the write from dictation on the same exam, I got 29 points in the listening. And just a little side note, I got 35 points from that write from dictation in the writing. With 29 points in the listening from write from dictation and 11 points in fill in the blanks, we have 40 points. We're not really sure on how many points we get from the 4 comprehension questions, but we know it's about 10 or under. So what's left? We have the summarized spoken text and the highlight incorrect word. I answered all of the listening module with the correct answers and got only 50 points total. Seems like the summarized spoken text and the highlight incorrect word didn't matter too much. But in regards to the highlight incorrect word affecting reading, if you recall the reading scoring breakdown again, when all of the reading questions were answered correctly, I got 44 points. Then with the reading and listening all answered correctly, I got 53 points. That is an additional 9 points to the reading from the highlight incorrect word. It appears that the highlight incorrect word contributes about 10% to the reading. That's a lot. But back to the listening now. We got a total of 50 points in the listening, so where are the rest of the possible 90 points in the listening? Speaking. Speaking is everything. With 90 in speaking and 90 in fluency and pronunciation, it shows that when speaking is maxed out, it can hold up to 47 points in the listening. That is pretty much 50% of your listening. That means if your listening score is low, it doesn't always mean you have a listening problem. Now here's my take. The 4 comprehension questions ain't worth a dang. It would not be a bad idea if you just guessed if you didn't know the answer right away. Why waste that time? You have to get to the write from dictation with enough time to finish. Next, the most important tasks in the listening are fill in the blanks and write from dictation. They carry a significant amount of points in both listening and writing. If you do well in these 2 tasks along with the speaking, that's already 79 plus. Lastly, highlight incorrect word. That doesn't seem to hold a lot of weight in the listening. However, 10% is significant and that is what it holds in the reading. You probably noticed that I didn't mention summarized spoken text because that's writing. And you don't need to worry about writing. Writing is the easiest module in the whole PTE. Let me know, I can show you. Thank you for watching. I hope the information was helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, just click on the links provided. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one.